In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoCAD filter command. The filter command is your go-to tool when you need to precisely select only the objects that meet certain criteria, like a specific layer, color, or object type, without picking through your drawing one piece at a time. It's perfect for building complex selection sets quickly and accurately. Start by making sure you're not in the middle of another command. Then type SE or type filter and press enter. This opens the Object Selection Filters dialog. Think of this dialog as a checklist builder. You tell AutoCAD exactly what kind of objects you want, and it takes care of selecting them for you. Inside the dialog, look for the drop-down where you can choose a property to filter by. You can filter on many things, but to keep this clear, we'll focus on selecting text only. From the property drop-down, choose the option for object type. Then, in the value area, choose text. With that set, click Add to List. You'll see your filter criteria appear in the list, confirming that AutoCAD will look for objects whose type is text. Now, click Apply. AutoCAD returns you to the drawing and asks you to select objects. Here's the powerful part. You can make a big window around your entire drawing or even use crossing selections over a large area, and AutoCAD will only select the objects that match the filter you just defined. In our example, it will pick only text objects, ignoring everything else like lines, polylines, hatches, or dimensions. When you're done selecting, press Enter to finish. You'll notice only text is highlighted. That means your selection set is clean and ready for whatever edits you need, like changing properties, moving the text, or applying a style, without risking accidental changes to unrelated geometry. If you didn't get the results you expected, double-check that the filter shows object type set to text, and make sure the text you want is visible and not locked or on a frozen layer. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. FI and filter do the exact same thing, so use whichever you remember. You can stack multiple criteria in the list for more precise selections. For example, you could combine object type with a specific layer, but keeping it to text only here makes it easy to see how the command works. When you're finished, simply close the dialog. Your drawing remains unchanged except for the selection you created. And that's all there is to it. The filter command helps you work faster, stay accurate, and focus on exactly the objects you want.